This is the month of Muharram. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he moved to Medina and he asked why people are fasting on this day. They said, this is the day why the Yahud were fasting. This is the day that Musa alayhi salam was saved. He said, we are more deserving than them with Musa. So he fasted on the day of Ashura. And he said, if Allah kept me alive till the next year, I'm going to do something different than the Yahud. I'm going to fast with it the 9th and the 10th. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the hadith in Sahih Muslim, the best of salat is salat al-qiyam. The best salat after the fard salat is the salat of tahajjud. And the best fasting after the fasting of Ramadan is the fasting of the month of Muharram. So we are in the best days to fast after the fard. Now, Sheikh, 100 degrees, Maghrib at 8:30. Wallahi, when you make the intention, Allah will make it easy for you. The number one. Number two, al-ajr ala qadr al-mashaqqa. The more you suffer performing ibadah, the more you will be rewarded.